What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 2013 Toyota Tacoma four-wheel drive truck in beautiful hunter green. We absolutely love the color on this truck. It's one of the most unique that we've had on this channel. If this is your first time stopping by our channel and checking it out, what we usually do, we buy a truck, a car of some kind or something, a boat from Copart or someplace like that, all smashed up. We fix it up, we try to make it as close to brand new as we possibly can. It's what we're going to do with this truck. It's what we always do on this channel. So what we're going to do in today's video, we're going to take this fender off and we're going to start grinding all these spot welds out of this radiator support. We'd like to get this whole radiator support off, and then we got some new parts coming in. We want to be ready when they come in to get everything back on and lined up. So you know what? That's enough talking. Let's start working. Alrighty guys, we have been working like a bunch of cavemen on this one. This video has been all work and no talk, so I hope you enjoyed it, but we are going to catch you up here at the end of this thing. So what we did is we got that radiator support 100% off. It's off. We were hoping to get the new one today. It just didn't come in. FedEx shows it's here now, but now it's a little bit too late. So we still don't have our door, so we're not going to fix this door. We're going to get a new door, and we've been working on this door, the cab corner, and the bedside. So we got all that stuff off. We got it all sanded down. We're working on getting it repaired. 100% OEM. I think in the next video we should have it all done and in primer and one step closer to paint. I do think that's going to be a wrap for today's video, guys. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before YouTube. If you like this video and you like the content, drop us a like. It helps us out. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.